will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper poise when you talk to boys, little ways to flirt and pose. I'll show you what to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports, all the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen you, become a palimpsest or an advisor. There's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular. There's an assist for me to be who you'll be. It's better to who you were, well, are. Nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. And though you protest your disinterest,